Nevada winters can bring harsh and quickly changing weather conditions. Driving hazards such as limited visibility, black ice, avalanche-prone areas, and snow removal equipment are just some elements that may be encountered on winter roads.
Before driving in Nevada, you can dial 511 for Nevada state road conditions.
Before you head out in cold weather, make sure your emergency kit is up to date and that you have more than half a tank of gas. You may need it to keep the car heated if you break down. Stopping distances can be more than 10 times longer on slick road surfaces. And if the road surface is completely covered in ice, do not attempt to drive over it.
Additional winter driving advice.
Only travel in winter weather when necessary.
Remove snow and ice from all vehicle windows, mirrors, lights, and turn signals, and license plates before driving.
Reduce speed.
Keep extra distance from other vehicles.
Use extra caution on bridges, overpasses, and shaded areas. They may freeze first.
If the vehicle begins to skid, steer in the direction of the slide and slowly remove the foot from the accelerator.
If parked or stuck in the snow, leave a window slightly cracked for ventilation and ensure the vehicle exhaust system is clear of snow.
Always carry tire chains, especially when traveling in mountain passes or snowy areas.
Turn on your lights to increase visibility. Ensure your lights are clean.
Make sure you wear appropriate clothing.
Remove any wet or snow-covered boots before driving and have an extra pair of dry shoes in your car.
About snow tires.
When it comes to winter driving, tires matter. Suppose you plan on doing a fair amount of driving on snowy or icy roads. Snow tires are made to perform in such conditions. When winter is over, swap out your snow tires for all-season tires, which won't wear down as fast on warmer roads. Investing in a good set of winter wipers can help clear your windshield of accumulated rain, snow, and ice, so you can see where you're going.
Check your fluids.
Winter blends of windshield wiper fluids are great in ultra-cold temps and are specially formulated not to freeze up on you. Flush or fill your antifreeze and check your oil. If you're ready for an oil change, consider getting a winter mix that's formulated for cold weather performance.
Getting unstuck.
Do not spin your wheels. This will only dig you in deeper. Turn your wheels from side to side a few times to push snow out of the way. Use a shovel to clear snow away from the wheels.
Pour sand, kitty litter, gravel, or salt in the wheel's path to help get traction. Try rocking the vehicle. Snow chains are devices fitted to a vehicle's drive tires. They add traction when driving through snow and ice. Chains are often required in higher elevations at certain times of the year. You can buy tire chains at any auto supply and practice putting them on before you head out into the mountains. Black ice. Normally, asphalt has a dull black color. You may be heading for black ice if you are approaching a shiny patch. If you hit black ice, don't overreact. You want to do as little as possible and allow your vehicle to travel over the patch.
Remember to adjust your driving habits according to the weather conditions, give yourself extra time to reach your destination, and stay informed about the weather and road conditions before heading out.